Hey guys, Rob here again with supplementcritique.com, and in today's review we're going to be talking about Extenze, extended release, or the plus formula as I like to call it. Bit of a taboo topic. Not everybody likes talking about male enhancement, but this is a product that I recently got a chance to test out, and I wanted to give you my unbiased and personal results with it. Anyway, as you can tell from the packaging there, it's extended release. So this is basically something, because it comes in liquid gel cap form, it's supposed to be something that lasts throughout the day. So it's similar and comparative to any kind of like prescription medication that you would take, like Viagra or something like that. And essentially, it's supposed to help get it up within like 45 to 60 minutes of taking a couple of caps. One gel cap. The way it works is obviously just like any other supplement we review. It has a number of different ingredients on here. Tribulus extract is a big one. DHEA, velvet bean extract, and one of the biggest ones that it has in it is yohimbe. I kind of have somewhat of a love-hate relationship with yohimbe. It's one of those substances that works really good to get you really hard, but at the same time you feel like you want to throw up. Now it's not the same for everybody, but in my experience, whenever I've taken a big quantity of yohimbe, I've always felt very nauseous. So what I like to do is start off with the lowest possible dosage, which in this case I really couldn't do because it's a gel cap. And then what I'll also do is take it with food. And in my scenario, I took it with a whole shitload of food to make sure that I didn't get any side effects, or at least I lessened the side effects from it. And what can I say? It does what it's supposed to do. Essentially gave me a pretty rock hard erection, something that I've never, let's put it this way, I don't feel that naturally. And I could definitely feel like I was lasting, much longer from it. I would say my average romp would be anywhere between like 15 and 20 minutes. Where normally it would be anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. So in that regard, it definitely helped. They call this a long-term supplement, something that you would take every day to get the most benefit out of it. But in my honest opinion, I think that you can just take this as needed. I've taken it at times for about a week, and the effects felt exactly the same from the very first time that I took it, the very first day, and it felt the same 7 days later. There was really no difference. I didn't build up, anything to it. But I definitely felt like I built a little bit of a tolerance to it. I felt like I was losing some of that effectiveness as I took it, as time went on. So, I would basically just take a break from it, not use it for, a period of like 1 or 2 weeks. It's not addictive, so it's not something that, if you stop taking it, you're going to start getting jittery, or you want something, you're yearning for it. You'll just take it whenever you want to, and it definitely works in that regard. You can find this in a lot of different places. The website itself, they sell it at a pretty good rate. If you don't feel like going online and order it there, you could always visit your local CVS or Walgreens. I believe they sell it in there. A lot of them will have like 5 packs, so just have 5 pills, and you can give it a shot yourself and see what kind of results you get from it. So anyway, that's all I pretty much have about Extenze Plus. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If not, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Take care.